welcome back to the channel. Imagine a home that blends the warmth of countryside living with the elegance of modern luxury. Today we're stepping into a tiny house that redefines what small living can feel like. At first glance, it captures the charm of a classic farmhouse, yet every line and detail whispers sophistication. This is not just a tiny house, it's a carefully crafted lifestyle statement. Stay with us, because as we explore further, you'll see how this compact home manages to feel both timeless and incredibly modern. Before we even step inside, the exterior already tells a story. Crisp white board-and-batten siding, contrasted with dark window frames, creates that iconic modern farmhouse look everyone loves. A welcoming front porch stretches across the entrance, inviting you to slow down and take in the peaceful atmosphere. Decorative lantern-style lights and natural wood accents add warmth to the design. But here's the real surprise: this tiny home's exterior hints at a level of luxury you might never expect from a house this size. Let's pause for a moment on the porch, because this is where the farmhouse spirit truly begins. Picture a pair of wooden rocking chairs, a cozy throw blanket, and a small table ready for your morning coffee. The porch isn't just decorative, it's an extension of the living space. Thoughtful details like exposed beams and warm-toned wood ceilings create a relaxing atmosphere. And just when you think the exterior has revealed all its charm, the front door opens to something even more impressive. As the door swings open, you're greeted by a stunning open-concept interior filled with natural light. Large windows allow sunlight to flood the space, instantly making the home feel larger and more inviting. The color palette stays true to farmhouse style: soft whites, warm wood tones, and subtle black accents. But what truly captures attention is how effortlessly luxury integrates into the design. Every inch of the space feels intentional, proving that thoughtful design can transform even the smallest home. The living area is where comfort and elegance come together. A plush sofa sits against a shiplap feature wall, creating a classic farmhouse focal point. Above it, a statement light fixture adds a touch of modern glamour. Built-in shelves provide both storage and style, displaying carefully curated decor pieces. Even in a compact space, the room feels layered and inviting. And just when you think this tiny house has reached its design peak, the kitchen reveals an entirely new level of craftsmanship. The kitchen proves that luxury doesn't require square footage, it requires creativity. Sleek quartz countertops meet farmhouse-style cabinetry, while matte black fixtures add a modern edge. Open shelving keeps the space airy while showcasing rustic dishware and decor. A compact farmhouse sink becomes the centerpiece, blending practicality with style. Despite the home's small footprint, the kitchen feels remarkably functional. And if you think the kitchen is impressive, wait until you see how the dining area completes the heart of this home. Just beside the kitchen sits a charming dining nook that feels straight out of a design magazine. A built-in bench maximizes space while adding cozy character. A rustic wooden table anchors the area, paired with soft lighting overhead that creates an intimate atmosphere. Large windows nearby frame outdoor views, making meals feel connected to nature. It's the kind of space where conversations linger long after dinner ends. But the journey through this tiny house isn't over yet. The private spaces hold even more surprises. Climb the staircase, or stylish ladder, and you'll discover the loft bedroom, a sanctuary tucked beneath the roofline. Here, the farmhouse aesthetic becomes softer and more tranquil. Neutral bedding, warm wood beams, and gentle lighting create a peaceful retreat perfect for unwinding after a long day. Clever built-in storage keeps the area organized without sacrificing style. The loft feels intimate yet airy, proving once again that smart design can transform limited space into something truly special. Even the bathroom refuses to compromise on luxury. A glass-enclosed shower with elegant tilework instantly elevates the space, while brushed metal fixtures add a polished finish. A farmhouse-style vanity with a vessel sink combines rustic charm with modern sophistication. Despite its compact footprint, the bathroom feels refined and thoughtfully designed. It's the kind of space that makes everyday routines feel indulgent. And just when you think you've seen everything, the overall design story comes together in one unforgettable impression. This tiny house proves that luxury and simplicity can exist in perfect harmony. From the charming farmhouse exterior to the thoughtfully designed interior spaces, every detail works together to create a home that feels both elegant and welcoming. It reminds us that living small doesn't mean sacrificing beauty or comfort, it means focusing on what truly matters. And if this home has sparked your imagination, imagine how many more creative possibilities the world of tiny living still has waiting to be discovered.